Welcome to Coasters and Coasters. My name is Molly.
I'm Isaac, and this is a brand new YouTube channel for us, a new vlog. And we are going to be exploring theme parks, breweries, restaurants, and kind of all the cool things about living in the greater Los Angeles area.
Yeah, all the good stuff. We love theme parks, so we're here at DCA with our camera, and we thought we would just get ourselves into a little bit of trouble today. So, what are you in the mood for?
I think we're going to go ride that.
Oh yeah, so let's coast on over.
To enjoy this time, darling. The terrible twos are coming.
Oh, yes. And so is the Incredicoaster.
We're gonna go on the first row.
Yeah, I want to go to the first row.
Should we wait for it?
Oh yeah, of course.
First row.
Yeah. What happens?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1,
So running around these theme parks tends to make us really thirsty, so we thought we would find a good beer, and it's not hard to do here at DCA because they serve Karl Strauss beers. And I have a really special connection to Karl Strauss. I actually used to work there a long time ago when I lived in San Diego. I wasn't living there long, but I love that job. I love the company. So I thought I would grab myself their flagship beer. It's the Red Trolley Ale. It's a red ale. It's really well balanced. It's crisp. It's bright. It's got flavors of currant and raisins in it. So let's give it a try. See how it is. Just as delicious as I remembered. All right, Isaac, so what are you drinking tonight?
This is the Aurora Hoppyalis IPA from Karl Strauss. It features 4 different hops: Amarillo, Mosaic, Citra, and Simcoe, which are all kind of more newer age hops that you see in a lot of the juicy IPAs. Let's give it a taste. Oh, that's good.
Is it good?
Yeah, it's definitely not a juicy or hazy IPA, which I personally like. It's got a little bit more of a dry, crisp finish and a nice bitter backbone. Delicious.
Thank you so much for coming along with us as we figure out this whole new vlog situation. We had so much fun making this video.
Yeah, it was great.
Even though we don't know what we're doing yet. But if you enjoyed it, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Also hit the red subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss anything new that we've got coming out. We've got some pretty good plans, I think. And until we see you here next time, we hope you have a great night. And cheers.
Cheers.
Hello.
First thing going. Perfect. Cool.
So, until we see you here next time, I want to say coasters and coasters.
All right, you ready?
And the baby is gone.
Right, nah.
Dash, go get him.
It's going. Hold on. 4, 3, 2, 1. Did you get it? He just disappeared.
One returns.
So good.
Goodness.
All right, we made it.
Still alive.